Greetings and welcome. Today, I'm going to share with you a fantastic energy drink recipe that will help you make your most important moments vibrant and memorable. This is a powerful concoction that not only provides strength, but will also leave you feeling better before heading to bed. It's a drink that packs a punch, ensuring you're not only energized, but also ready for a restful night's sleep. So, let's learn how to make this special energy drink that will infuse vitality into every moment of your life. Let's get started. Step 1. Garlic goodness. Start by grabbing a garlic bulb and peel off 3 cloves. Grate them finely to release their potent natural goodness. Step 2. Coffee kick. Next up, we'll add a spoonful of coffee. Not only does it add a rich flavor, but it also contributes to the stimulating effects of this powerful nighttime drink. Step 3. Lemon zest. Grab a fresh lemon and extract the juice from half of it. The zesty citrus flavor not only enhances the taste, but also brings a burst of vitamin C into the mix. Step 4. Hot water infusion. Mix these ingredients well, and then add a cup of hot water to the concoction. This infusion ensures that all the flavors meld together seamlessly. Step 5. Blend and cover. Take a moment to mix it well and cover the mixture for 30 minutes. This allows the ingredients to infuse, maximizing their potential benefits. Step 6. Strain and sip. After the waiting period, strain the mixture into a cup. The strained liquid will be the foundation of our powerful energy elixir. Step 7. Sweeten with honey. Now, sweeten the drink with 2 generous spoons of honey. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also brings its own set of health benefits. Step 8. Final mix. Mix it well once again to ensure all the ingredients are harmoniously blended. Final step. Nighttime ritual. Now, here's the key. Consume this delightful concoction 30 minutes before bedtime. This natural remedy is designed to provide you with sustained energy and strength throughout the night. Conclusion. Say goodbye to those sluggish mornings and hello to a night of restful sleep with this all-natural, energy-boosting drink. Give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share it with those who could use a little extra energy in their lives. Until next time, stay healthy and energized.